So I was tutoring the other day and fumbled a little bit with the Nessus installation process, so I wanted to create a quick video of that for my own practice and for your reference. So let's get started getting Nessusd set up on Kali Linux. First thing I need to do is open up Firefox and get the download file from Tenable. Tenable Nessus download page. I'm just going to visit this. I already plugged it in, and we want the Tenable Nessus downloads here. Make sure it's the official site, not a phishing site, a fake clone. Load up, sucker. We need to choose the platform once we get in there. That's going to be the one that is identifying AMD 64, Debian 11 and 12, and Kali 2020. And we'll just use the most recent version of Nessus. The heck, dude? Stop. Play. Do it. Do it. Well, when in doubt, use a backup. So let me pull up. Hey, just when I thought it wasn't going to go. All right. So we need, for my system, the Debian 11.12 Kali Linux option. It's the third one from the top. Click it, hit download. Download might take a little while. I jumped the gun last time and tried to install it before the download was actually complete, and it threw some errors. So be patient, and it'll probably auto or default to your downloads folder. So let's go ahead and navigate to that. Tilde symbol for home, / then the path downloads, ls for listing out the directory, and we need to run elevated sudo on dpackage install flag, and then we want the Nessus 10.8.3 file there, and it looks like it's a unique file in the folder, so I can autofill it with tab or the right arrow. Go ahead and hit enter. I've already got it installed, but it should reinstall it for us to see what it looks like. Default password for Kali. And we are looking good with lots of passes. You can start. So here's the little instructional. You can start the scanner by typing systemctl start nessusd.service and then go to this page. I usually use the loopback IP, which you can find for yourself on the ifconfig page right here. So let's go ahead and clear this. Sudo systemctl status nessus. I always do that. It's nessusd.system is the technical way to do it. I think you can also use just nessusd. And it's not system. Correction, it is service. I should read my error messages. Sudo systemctl status nessusd.service. It is currently inactive, dead. So let's go ahead and undead it. Let's start it up. No news is good news in terms of a response on the command prompt, so it probably went through. Let's check the status again. We've got active and running. So let's go ahead and open Firefox. And I learned as well, you can't go to port 80 or HTTP, you need to use HTTPS. And then let's plug in our local IP, 127.0.0.1, a colon, and then indicate the port number 8834 for Nessus. Press enter, and here we are. In my bootcamp, I've got the system already registered for my use. but you'll have to either register for use or get the trial version to log in after it initializes. I've got another video on basic scans using Nessus, how to create tasks or jobs, whatever verbiage they use, in one of the other videos, so feel free to check that out. Any suggestions or comments, questions, and importantly, corrections for me, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Otherwise, have yourself some happy learning out there, fam. Bye.